Hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. We all know which question we have to solve, right? So 35,000 people gave the lead code contest and only 300 people were able to do. And in actuality, there would be just 200 or 100 people, you know. So this is really hard problem. 1% to 0.5% people solved it. But it is actually very easy and many people were very close to the solution just because of few optimizations and few ways of wrong ideas and wrong thinking they got, they were not able to solve, because you can see the total submissions were 8658. 9,000 people were trying but 358 only passed anyways. So guys, you also know, I also know, they are asking you to find the number of valid pairs in your given array. So yeah, yeah. Before starting the session, guys, congratulations to our student who has cracked Google in August, and congratulations to our student who has cracked off-campus 40 LPSD offer from Salesforce as a 2024 grad in August. So, congratulations to both of them. One is Achyut Gupta, another is Hassan. Anyways, now let's get back to the understanding of the problem. So, focus here. The thing is that we need to focus. We need to focus on the understanding. They are telling us that given an array, find the number of pairs I comma j, I comma j, such that they are almost equal. And also they are saying that I should be less than j. Okay, what is the definition of almost equal? Okay, so what is the definition of almost equal? AI bi can become equal to bj if you can do it. If you can do it, then they are called as almost equal. So this thing is clear to you. First observation clear, that if bi can become equal to bj, they are called as almost equal and you have to count them as one pair. Everyone react with emojis if these things are clear to them, that if you can make them equal, then your question is calling them as almost equal and you have to count how many almost equal pairs are there in the array such that I less than j. How to make them equal is the next question. You can select either b of I or b of j, or b of j. You can either select b of I or you can select b of j. You can either select b of I or b of j and swap any pair of digits. You can do this for at most 2 times. Output the answer. Everyone react with emojis in the meeting if they understood all this. Okay. So guys, which numbers are equal and which numbers are not equal, we need to check, right? So if we take this one, let's say, yeah, 2310, 2310, and then 2130. So guys, can anyone tell me, first of all, tell me, is this a valid pair? Write valid or not valid in the Google chat. I'm giving you the access. Just tell me if the pair 2310 and 2130, are these guys valid or not. I am giving you the access. Life is very interesting. Just start enjoying it. So guys, tell me, is 2310 and 2130 valid? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, can anyone explain how can they become equal? Valid means they can become equal. How can 2310 become equal to 2130? I need to know that. I need to know that. Tell me, lovely people, tell me. They can become equal. You are allowed to do maximum how many swaps? Two swaps. Either you do the swaps in the first number or the second number or both of the numbers. There are no restrictions. So guys, where to do the swap? I can swap this now, this 3 with this 1. If I swap the 3 with the 1 in the first number, it will become 2130 and they start matching. Good. You are able to do in one swap only. Good. Maximum 2 swaps are allowed. Okay, you understood that. Great job. 10232310. 1023. Guys, if your number was 1023, then what would be the answer? Please tell me. 10232310. Now, can you tell me if it is a valid pair or an invalid pair? I'm waiting for your brilliant answers. Start writing in the chat. Tell me what to swap in the first number. What swaps to do and where to do. Obviously, I want it to become equal to what? 2310, na? It means 2 should come at the start. So the common sense is saying that I should swap this 1 with this 2, right? So 2 will come at the start. Will start looking like 2013. But my final goal is what? 2310. So I will swap this 0 with this 3. So 2310. In 2 swaps, you are able to do it, okay? Okay, this much is clear to all of you. Now the people did lots of time pass here in the actual question. What they did, guys? They did time pass. They started thinking many extra things which were not needed. First of all, many people did this in the exam. They assumed that, sir, number x is given, right? It can be anything, 1, blah, 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 till 5, okay? This is the number y. 5, let's say, blah, 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 8. Everyone write feeling in the Google chat if they can feel these two numbers. Can you feel these two numbers? Please let me know the truth. So guys, your task is to make sure that this x become equal to y. Okay. So the thing is that people saw that, okay sir, we are allowed to make 2 swaps. What they did, you know? They selected just one number and made both the swaps on them only and trying to check. They are making 1 or 2 or 0 swaps on the same number x and trying to make x equal to y. This does not work. Why? Because there are other possibilities also. You only think if this is your x, this is your y. Can you tell me, guys, one configuration? How many swaps can you do on x and how many swaps can you do on y? What are the different possibilities? One possibility is 0 swap on x and 2 swaps on y. Guys, which are the other possibilities? Clear it up in the start only in your mind. Which are the other possibilities, lovely people? Write in the Google chat. Okay, so one possibility is do 0 swap here, 2 swap here. Another possibility is do 2 swap on the first number and 0 swap on the last number. Another possibility is 1 swap on this number or 1 swap on this number. This can be further broken down. 1 comma 1 can be further broken down to 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 because at most 2 bola hai. 0 comma 0 is also a valid possibility. Got my point? So just relax and try to understand what's happening. All these are valid possibilities. 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Your job is to get the best answer by checking all the cases. That's it. So this is nothing but a little bit of casework. So guys, observation tells you that if you want to make x to y, the possibilities are like this. Either 2 operations here or 0 operations here, or 0 operations here, 2 operations here, or 1 operation here, 1 operation here, or 1 operation here, 0 operation here, or 0 operation here, 1 operation here, or don't do anything. Sometimes in life You don't need to do anything to get your problem solved. Just sit silently. Your life problem will get solved automatically. That is the meaning of 0 comma 0. No operation on x, no operation on y, hoping that they both are already equal. Okay. So everyone writes CLR in the Google chat if this is clear to them, brilliantly clear to them. Okay, guys, now you know that you just need to check these cases, right? So if you write the brute force solution, I'm showing it to you in front of you only. For loop will first for loop will go from which index to which index. Everyone start writing in the Google chat. First for loop means the first number we are picking of the pair. Second for loop means second number which we are trying to pick in the pair. Then we will check if these both can be become a good pair or not. Guys, I will go from where to where. Think about it. 0 to n minus 1. Yes. So I have a mature audience which understands that I comma j means pairs. Okay. Guys, j will go from where to where. Only intelligent people can give the correct answer. Please know it is written in the question I should be less than j. So j कहां से start होना चाहिए बेटा? दिमाग लगाइए जो आपको भर भर के दिया हुआ है भगवान के द्वारा. So please tell me, j should start from where? I plus 1 to n minus 1. Shreshti Jain, great job. Congratulations. I have two students. They're both their name is Shreshti, so it's a little confusing to know which Shreshti is this. Anyways, great job. Now, I plus 1 till n minus 1. Then what you will do, guys, you will check if I comma j is good or not. I want to discuss this check function with you. Everyone write in the Google chat, check I comma j. Check I comma j will tell you if you can make these both numbers equal or not. Okay, got my point? So I'm writing a check I comma j. Check I comma j should tell you that uh, return true if both of them can be made equal. Okay, no problem. No problem. Just relaxation. Relax. 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 30. Okay. Yeah. So guys, let's start. This is your x, okay? 213. This is your y. 2310. Everyone write feeling in the Google chat if they can feel this right now without lying to me. Can you really feel these numbers or you're lying to me? What is the truth? Yeah. Link for documents other people can send in the Google chat thousand number of times. But I am sending it to you again. Daily students are getting selected because we are doing too much hard work and giving personal attention to each person. Anyways, going back to the question. 213230. You have to make sure that they end up marrying each other. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. You need to make sure that they marry each other and bond with each other and they have a relationship with each other. For that, x should become equal to y. Everyone write agreed in the Google chat. If they agree that our task is to make them equal. Why swap on 1 is not similar to swap on 2? No, it is not exactly similar when you are doing hard level swaps, Nadella. Like for Nadella's question, what you can do is, guys, okay, before going to Nadella's question, no, we should not append zeros, GK. If you append zero, तो भी गलती हो जाती है because it generates number which were not possible. For example, सी समझो रियल में तुम्हारा नंबर ये था, ओके, तुमने डाल दिया 000. अब स्वैप करके बोल रहे हो तुम, क्या कहते हैं कि सर 4020 भी हो सकता है. नहीं हो सकता है अगर सिर्फ 24 को कंसीडर किया जाता. अनलेस इनपुट में नहीं है तुम नहीं कर सकते, स्टाइल से होशियारी नहीं मार सकते. You need to be a little careful, okay? You cannot append zeros. So guys, before going to Nadella's doubt, na, let's go back to our question only, okay? Guys, Shreshti, Navansh, everyone write CLR in the Google chat if it is clear that our next task is to make these two numbers equal. इन दोनों को इक्वल करना है, समझिए, फीलिंग लाइए. ओके, सो लिसन गाइस, देयर आर मेनी वेज टू मेक देम इक्वल. गाइस, देयर आर मेनी कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. देयर आर मेनी कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. Let's say you are given 213 and 2310. So guys, try each configuration. Try each configuration. So guys, try 0 comma 2 for me. 0 comma 2 configuration. So let's do 0 comma 2 configuration. Guys, please tell me what will be the output if you do 0 operations here. Basically, I'm saying that do 0 operation here and 2 operation here. We will try all configurations. If even one configuration works out, it means yes, 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 you got your number. So guys, tell me, if 0 operation is done, what will be the final value of 213? Fast, fast, quick. We are running out of time, guys. Life is limited. Everyone write in the Google chat. Yeah. So we did 0 configuration and we got 213. Guys, we have to do 2 swaps here. This is not easy. First, guys, can everyone in the meeting tell me what are the different numbers possible for 2310 if we are doing just one swap? Tell me all the freaking different numbers. One swap can be this, right? So it can be 3210. One swap can be 2 and 1, right? So it can be 1320. Well, another swap can be 2 and 0, right? So it can be 0312, right? Next, it can be 3 and 1, right? So it can be 2130. Next, it can be 3 and 0, right? It can be 2013. Next, it can be 1 on 0, right? 2301. Always remember, there are n into n minus 1 by 2 possibilities if you are doing one swap. Save all those possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone write 6 in the Google chat if they agree that after trying all possible one swaps, we are having 6 possibilities. For that, you need to watch the recording as me. Now, guys, these things are clear. When I'm explaining a doubt, that time only need to listen, because we are not discussing some easy question. We are discussing very hard question where I cannot spend too much time at a particular thing. Anyways, 2310. So guys, ये तो आपको दिख ही रहा है, ये इतने सारे नंबर्स आ सकते हैं, ठीक है. Guys, is this enough? Is just doing one swap enough, right? Yes or no in the chat. We have done one swap on this. It looks like this. These are the possibilities. No, one swap is not enough. Everyone write in the chat. One swap is not enough. Write in the Google chat. One swap is not enough. If you do one swap, you are getting these numbers. None of them are equal to 213. Okay. Basically, I have already told that you have to do 0 swap here and 2 swap here. तुमने अब तक एक ही swap किया है. अब इन सब पर again, guys, can you see how long is the thread? 2310 के 6 possibility आएंगे, ठीक है. There are 6 possibilities. 6 possibilities are there. Six possibilities are there if you are doing only one swap. Then what you will do? One more swap. So again another 6 possibilities. Oh ho ho ho. Okay. Okay. Guys, there will be 36 possibilities. Everyone write in the Google chat. In general, how many possibilities will be there? 36. And hopefully one of the 36 possibilities should be equal to your X number. Clear? Clear to you people? तो मैं आपको एक पॉसिबिलिटी बता देता हूं फॉर नाउ. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन, इफ आई चेक 2 and 0, right? Yeah, okay. So 2 and 0, 2 and 0, 2 and 0. Okay, I have to make it equal to 213. So guys, please tell me now the second swap should be done on which number so that I get 213. I am leaving it to my audience. सेकेंड स्वैप में किस पे करूं? पहला स्वैप तो कर दिया, अब मुझे 213 चाहिए, पहले नंबर पे स्वैप करूं दूसरा वाला कि दूसरे पे कि तीसरे चौथे पांचवे छठे पर, बताइए। सब लोग बोल रहे हैं सर फर्स्ट नंबर पर करो, पक्का? फर्स्ट नंबर पे करूंगा तो 2310 हो जाएगा, क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Guys, I am trying that you use your own brain. So please tell me out of these six numbers, on which number should I do the swap so that I finally get 0213, something like that. You should do swap on the third number. ये 0312 आया है ना, इस पर स्वैप करना है। कौन सा? 0312 वाले पे, हाँ दिखाता हूँ। ये 0312 है ना, ये 3 और 2 को स्वैप कर दो, क्या आएगा? 0213 आ जाएगा, राइट? आई थिंक वी नीडेड 213 ओनली, राइट? हाँ, 0213 आ जाएगा। एंड यू कैन इग्नोर द जीरो एंड यू कैन कॉल दैट यस इट हैज बिकम इक्वल। Guys, everyone write clear if they understood that they have to generate 36 possibilities here. पहले एक स्वैप करके सारे नंबर्स निकाल लो, फिर इन सब पर फिर से एक स्वैप करो। वो 36 नंबर्स जो है उनमें से कोई ना कोई नंबर तो आपके ये एक्स को मैच करना चाहिए। मैच कर लिया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो नहीं हो सकता काम। So guys, is the brute force solution clear to everyone? Everyone write yes in the Google chat. You will just check each configuration. You will check for 2-0 configuration, 0-2 configuration, 1-1 configuration, 1-0 configuration, 0-1 configuration, 0-0 configuration. N square for all pairs, and checking each configuration can take how much time? अच्छा guys, can I hope this much is clear to everyone how to check all configuration. मतलब अगर मैं आपको कोई भी x दे दूं और कोई भी y दे दूं, कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस तो बहुत सारी है, आपको सारी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेक करनी है, सबकी सब। कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का मतलब समझ रहे हो क्या होता है? या तो पहले नंबर पे 2 स्वैप कर सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट नंबर पे 0 स्वैप कर सकते हैं, या तो पहले पे 0 कर सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट पे 2 कर सकते हैं, या तो पहले पर 1 करो, नेक्स्ट पर 1 करो, या तो पहले पर 1 करो, इस पे 0 करो, इस पे 0 करो, इस पे 1 करो, या तो दोनों पे 0 करो। इनमें से अगर किसमें भी मैच हो गया तो यस दिस इज अ वैलिड पेयर, दैट्स इट। 3210 स्वैप कर दिया तो हाँ मल्टीपल होने दो ना, हमको यस नो से मतलब है। गॉट इट? क्लियर? X wants to bond with Y. They marry in Delhi or Mumbai, does not matter. Bonding is important. Clear? So now, going back to the question. So, guys, you know that you have to run 2 for loops, right? For loop I, it is running. Great going. I enjoy it. For loop J, it is going. Can anyone tell me what is the time complexity of check I comma J function? Use your brain and tell me. For example, this is X and this is Y. Okay? And you have to check. So how much time will it take? Well, there are so many possibilities, right? Let's calculate the time for this possibility. So guys, how large this number can be? This number can be as large as 6 times 6. It is given in the question, read carefully. The number will always be strictly less than 10 raised to 7, right? So yeah. No, you are no, Nadela, no. For now, no. Guys, please tell me, if you want to generate all the numbers after swapping this stuff 2 times, how many different possibilities are there? Intelligent people can tell me instantly. पहला स्वैप करने में ही 15 पॉसिबिलिटी आ जाएगी। 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 इंटू 5/2 कितना होता है? 15 नंबर पहले स्वैप में ही आ जाएंगे, दूसरे स्वैप में 225, 225 possibilities. Everyone write in the Google chat how many possibilities for the largest number. If you want to do 2 swaps on it, 225 possibilities will be there. How many? 225, 225, 225. तो ये 225 आ गया और यहाँ पर तो कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ा, तो मतलब 225 पॉसिबिलिटीज इज द मैक्सिमम यू हैव टू गो। बाकी जब 0,2 चेक करूंगा तो वहां पर भी 225 लगने वाला है, वो बात अलग है, ठीक है? सो यार 200 200 400 450 तक जा सकता है। ओके, यू नीड टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल। सो दैट्स इट गाइस। अब आप बोल रहे होंगे कि सर आपने सिर्फ 0-2 का गिना और सर आपने बस 2-0 का गिना। सर आप 0-0 का नहीं गिन रहे हो, सर आप 0-1 का नहीं गिन रहे हो, सर आप 1-0 का नहीं गिन रहे हो। बेटा इसलिए नहीं गिन रहा क्योंकि जब 2 का कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं ना तो 1 स्वैप में क्या नंबर आ रहा है वो तो ऑलरेडी दिख जा रहा है, एक झटके में चेक कर सकता हूँ मैप लेके। समझे बात को? So I don't need to add the count for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Only 0, 2, 0, 2 is the maximum case. 225 iterations and the job is done. So the solution is what? No, curious, your answer is wrong. The time complexity is, I hope it is clear to everyone, that you will run two for loops. So n square for that multiplied by 225. That's it. But yeah, you can call this 225 as, wait, let me add it. 450. Yeah, you can say that maximum in 450 operations you guys are gonna take to check if the two numbers are can become equal or not. Okay, everyone write agreed in the Google chat. If they agree, the time complexity is n square into 450. हर नंबर को चेक करने में मैक्सिमम 450 ऑपरेशन लगेगा, क्योंकि एक नंबर में 6 डिजिट, सॉरी कितने हो सकते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 डिजिट हो सकते हैं, राइट? और wait, we have done a mistake, guys. The number can be less than what? Guys, please tell me the largest number less than 10 raised to 7. Write in the Google chat, largest number less than 10 raised to 7. Fast. Be quick, everyone. Largest number less than 10 raised to 7. अगर आपको अब तक ये भी नहीं आता है तो आपने गलत डिग्री, गलत इंजीनियरिंग में आ गए हो आप. कान्हा इज सच अ फनी पर्सन. मैं बोल रहा हूँ लार्जेस्ट नंबर लेस देन 10 रेज़ टू 7 लिखो, उसने वही लिख दिया. देखिए दिमाग, देखिए लोगों का. सो मच ब्रिलियंट. गारंटी 1 करोड़ ऑफर. या थैंक यू गौरी फॉर मेंटेनिंग द सैनिटी ऑफ द सेशन. कितनी बार मैंने कहा था यूट्यूब पे जाएगा, थोड़ा स्मार्टली एक्ट करना, सब रायता फैला दिया. ग्रेट जॉब. एनीवेज 1999999. या so guys, how many times 999 is coming? Can anyone tell me? 6 times, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. गौरी तुम्हारा आंसर गलत है, 6 बार ही आना चाहिए. तो बच्चों समझो x आपका है 999999, ठीक है? y कुछ भी हो हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ठीक है? और मेरे को 2,0 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेक करनी है. तो कितनी पॉसिबिलिटी बनेगी? एवरेज पूछ रहा हूँ, रियल में तो और भी कम होंगी. एवरेज कितनी पॉसिबिलिटी बनेगी अगर इस पे 2 स्वैप कर रहे हो तो? 15 पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर द फर्स्ट स्वैप, एंड देन अगेन सेकंड स्वैप 15 into 15, 225 पॉसिबिलिटीज. So these 225 numbers, you will check if any one of them is matching the y in the zero state or not. Similarly, when you reverse, when you check 0 2 configuration, where you are doing no swap here and all the swaps in y, it will also have 225, and all these 225 you will hope that at least one of them matches this number. So 225 on the left, 225 on the right, 450. ओके 450. अब और भी पॉसिबिलिटीज है जो मैंने गिनी भी नहीं. बताओ कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटीज है गाइस? 0,1. अरे ये बहुत इजी है, इसमें ये कितना है? 15 पॉसिबिलिटी आ रहा है, तो 15 इसका, और 1,0 इसका कितना आ रहा है? 15, और 1,1 15 पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ पर, 15 पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ पर, तो 15 into 4 और है. बट you don't need to do this. You can easily pre-compute this when you are doing for 2. Okay, basically what I'm trying to say, that when you are doing for 2 and 0, फॉर जब जब 2 के लिए कर रहे हो तो एक फॉर लूप घुमाओगे ना, कौन सा इंडेक्स आई स्वैप करना है, फिर दूसरा फॉर लूप घुसाओगे कौन सा इंडेक्स जे स्वैप करना है. तो इससे फर्स्ट स्वैप तो पहले ही पता चल जाएगा कौन सा हुआ है. फिर सेकंड स्वैप के लिए दूसरे फॉर लूप लगाओगे तो फर्स्ट स्वैप तो पहले ही पता चल जाएगा कौन से 15 हुए थे. वो 15 को कोई मैप में स्टोर कर लेना यार, बाहर आगे चेक कर लेना उन 15 में से कोई भी 0 या 1 से मैच हो रहा है कि नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट एडेड दैट टाइम. Everyone write yes in the Google chat if they have understood that 450 is the maximum it can go. Rest you can smartly do XYZ stuff. सर इससे टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इंक्रीज होगी? ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज होगी. तुमको ऑप्टिमल आंसर थोड़ी ना बता रहा हूं मैं. कुछ भी सोचते हो, इतना जल्दी आंसर बता दूंगा क्या? हाँ. एनीवेज, so the final time complexity is n square into 450. And guys, you can use two maps. Okay, x और y को चेक करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट तरीका कौन सा है गाइस? राइट इन द चैट. टू मैप्स, दो मैप बनाएंगे आप, ठीक है? मैप 1 will store all the possibilities of doing the two swaps here. Okay, Map 2 will store all the possibilities of doing one swap or zero swap. चेक करो ये दोनों मैप में कोई भी एक एलिमेंट कॉमन है कि नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैप 1 को इटरेट कर रहे हो तो समझो मैप 1 में y है, तो इफ मैप 2 of y is equal to 1 or found, it means it is in both the maps, and your job is done. It's easy from here. Okay, everyone write CLR in the Google chat if this solution is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. It is really easy, it's not difficult. क्लियर. ये तो बेसिक कॉमन सेंस है ना, कुछ दिमाग भी नहीं लगाना पड़ा. या तो 2 0, या तो 0 2, या तो 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0, खत्म. बट क्या इतना करके आपको लीड कोड में टॉप रैंक आएगी? नहीं आएगी. ओके, सो नाउ यू नीड टू डू समथिंग, बट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू दिस. ओनली देन you can go towards the 358 category. So let's start. So guys, please see the time, like whoever has done our hashing course now can do this question very easily, because this variation is taught in the session number 58. You will know this only if you have studied carefully, or else sab sir ke upar se. Okay, anyways, now so let's start discussing the optimization. Before discussing the optimization, let's keep it very organic for the users in the meeting. Guys, please look at the time complexity and think which term should be reduced. क्या 450 को निकालना आसान रहेगा कि ये n स्क्वायर में घटाव करना आसान रहेगा? क्या फीलिंग क्या आ रही है? चैट में लिखिए जल्दी. Yes, you need to remove that n square. That is not needed. When you are at index j, automatically you can know with which I number, with which I variation you have to bond. That's it. That's the solution to the whole problem. So अब मैं आपको solution बता देता हूँ आपके आंखों के सामने. बहुत easy है और बहुत simple है. You don't need to use GP also. You just relax and enjoy. Everyone write ready in the Google chat if they're ready for the optimization. So what you will do? I comma j, right? I am saying forget I. Only focus on j. So guys, this is an array. Okay, this is an array. I'm showing you an array. You can implement it on your own because you are brilliant students of Kumar K, right? So this is the j, guys. This is the j. I don't know. Forget I. Only focus on j. Only focus on j. I have taught you many times in the hashing course that if by using some hash map and maths formula, if a relation is coming from I to j, then directly answer will be calculated because you don't have to consider I specifically. Okay. So many people already know in which direction we are going, right? यस लिखिए अगर आपको आंसर अब ऑलरेडी पता चल चुका है कि क्या होने वाला है. हम जे की सारी पॉसिबिलिटी निकालेंगे, हैश मैप में चेक कर लेंगे कौन कौन आई उससे मैच कर रहा है, खत्म. सेम लाइक टू सम प्रॉब्लम. सी द स्टैंडर्ड एल्गोरिथम यू लर्नड विल बी यूज्ड हियर आल्सो, सो बट नॉट इन द सेम सेंस. सो गाइस, दिस इज जे, राइट? तुम लोग ही मुझे बताओ, इफ आई कंसीडर ऑल द कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस, व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल नंबर्स फॉर जे? आई को भूल जाइए, आप बस जे का बताइए. Either j can be 2 0, 2, or I can do one swap on j, right? Or zero swaps on j, or 1 1, or 1 0, or 0 1. So basically 0 1 and 2 is the category. सब लोग बताओ अब और गूगल चैट में लिखो कि अगर मैं सिर्फ एक नंबर को कंसीडर करूं, राइट वाला, लेफ्ट को भूल जाओ, तो इस पर कितने स्वैप करके ट्रैक चेक किया जा सकता है? What number of swaps can be done? Either you can do zero swap and check what is the number coming, or do one swap and check what the number is coming, or do two swap and check what the number is coming. So guys, in front of your eyes, I'm going to do this and you don't need to worry. Okay, I'm writing it in front of you also. Okay. You are at number J. Produce all possibilities. Produce all possibilities if you were to do zero swaps. if you were to do zero swaps on J and push in map 0, okay, so guys I have produced all the possibilities. गाइस क्या आपको समझ आता है हम क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? बता देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये 1 2 3 है, ये हमारा नंबर जे है. तो गाइस मैप 0 में कौन सा नंबर जाएगा जरा बताना. जीरो स्वैप्स करेंगे तो ये नंबर कैसा दिखता है जरा बताइए. सब लोग लिखिए चैट में. हमारा करंट नंबर जे है 123. हमको इस पे जीरो स्वैप करके देखना है कि क्या आता है. तो लिखिए चैट में क्या आता है. So in my map 123, one will go. 123 is the possibility and 1 is the frequency. Done. Map 0 filled. That is what I was saying. So if the number is 123, your map 0 will have 123 in it. Okay, that is clear to you. Guys, similarly, what will your map 1 have? Map 1 means all the possibilities where exactly one swap is made. तो मैप 1 में कौन कौन से नंबर होंगे? सब लोग गूगल चैट में लिखना चालू करो. अगर एक एक स्वैप करते तो क्या क्या निकलता है. एक को 2 से स्वैप कर लूंगा तो 2 1 3 बहुत है यार. 1 से 3 कर लो, 3 2 1 बहुत है बहुत है. 2 3 कर लो तो 1 3 2. ये 3 निकलते हैं ना. यस और नो. 2 1 3 3 2 1 1 3 2. मैं सिर्फ एक स्वैप करने की बात कर रहा हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट वन स्वैप. फर्स्ट डोंट डू द मिस्टेक प्लीज. Divyam Singh is saying 213 231. Okay. 213 321 132. 213. दिव्यम 231 नहीं आ सकता. गलत लिखा है तुमने. कोई सही से आंसर गूगल चैट में लिखो तो ही मैं उधर लिखूंगा आपके लिए. Such hard questions no one will teach you with this in-depth intuition and logic. So focus. Everyone tell me in the Google chat, if I just make one swap, what will be the final 3 numbers? It is already available in your screen. Use your eyes. Use your eyes. Yeah, Shwetang, thank you. 213 321. Okay, so guys, ये ऐसा दिखेगा. 213 321 213 321 132. Okay. Guys, similarly, we can make map 2 also. How will you generate map 2? Go through each number of map 1 and again do the swap. Okay. Everyone write okay in the Google chat if they understand कि मैप 0 मैप 1 मैप 2 में एक झटके में जनरेट कर सकता हूँ कोई भी नंबर के लिए. इतना मुझे भगवान ने शक्ति दी है कि मैं एक झटके में बता पाऊँ कि 0 स्वैप है तो कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटी है, 1 स्वैप है तो कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटी है, 2 स्वैप है तो कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटी है. इतना क्लियर हो गया आपके दिमाग में? Okay guys, so now the problem has been solved. You are at a number J. Okay, let's try all configuration. Okay, so let's say you are trying to do 2 swaps on the number J. So which map will you check the numbers? कौन से मैप में अपने नंबर्स की पॉसिबिलिटी चेक करोगे अगर तुमको जे नंबर पे 2 स्वैप करने? मैप 0 मैप 1 या मैप 2? चैट में लिखिए. रॉन्ग चिन्मय. जे नंबर का बोल रहा हूं. जे नंबर पे 2 स्वैप करने का बोल रहा हूं. हाँ, मैप 2 चेक करोगे ना. कॉमन सेंस. तो मैप 2 में सारे नंबर्स को मैंने देख लिया. बहुत मजा आया. अब गाइस तुम ही ये बताओ, जो नंबर आई है वो ये ब्लू पार्ट में होना चाहिए. अग्रीड लिखो गूगल चैट में इफ यू गाइस अग्री दैट द नंबर आई शुड बी इन द ब्लू पार्ट विच इज द numbers from 1 to j minus 1, the prefix. Guys, it should be a number in the prefix which has 0 swaps. Guys, all these numbers if you don't do anything they have 0 swaps only ना. तो ये सारे नंबर को if I store in a let's say a different map called as prefix map, okay, or let's say map G. अगर मैप जी में मैं ये सारे नंबर्स एज इट इज स्टोर कर लूं और चेक करूं कि इनमें से कोई भी इधर मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं तो काम बन गया ना. राइट, अग्रीड इन द गूगल चैट इफ यू अग्री दैट once you have map 2 at the current number you know all these possibilities, right? Just check if any of these numbers is coming as it is from index 1 till j minus 1. How to know if any number is coming as it is from 1 to j minus 1? Store all the numbers from 1 to j minus 1 in a map. That's it. या. सो अब ध्यान से सुनिए. map G0 stores all the numbers from index 1 to j minus 1 if zero swaps were done. As it is. So guys, for 2 comma 0 comma 2 configuration, all you need to do is to check the number in map 2 if it exists in map G0. If yes, at the count. गाइस, सबको ये बात समझ आ गई ना? कुछ नहीं करना है. अगर अगर 0,2 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेक कर रहे हो, 0,2 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेक कर रहे हो तो क्या करोगे? ये इसका मैप 2 तो समझो मैंने क्रिएट कर लिया. यहाँ पर आके 225 ऑपरेशन लगा लिए. बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूं मैं. कर लिया ऑपरेशन मैंने, बहुत मजा आया. ये इसका मैप 2 है. ठीक है, इसमें सारे नंबर मुझे दिख रहे हैं. लेट से G1 है पहला नंबर, तो मुझे बस ये चेक करना है कि G1 यहाँ पर कितनी बार आ रहा है. समझो G1 2 बार आ रहा है, तो ये दोनों G1 इससे पेयर करेंगे ना. इफ विदाउट एनी ऑपरेशन, इफ G1 इज कमिंग हियर आल्सो एंड हियर आल्सो, and if on number J you do 2 operation, again G1 is coming, then 2 pairs will get added. Everyone right understood in the Google chat? अगर सबको ये बात समझ आ गया that for your current number to check 0,2 configuration, all you need to do is check if any number in your map 2 exists in map G0. Map G0 means store all the numbers from index 1 to j minus 1 as it is. Clear? गाइस, दूसरों चेक्स कैसे करेंगे वो भी आपको आना चाहिए. रिवर्स बोल दिया तो कर पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे? राइट, यस और नो इन द गूगल चैट. 2,0 कैसे चेक होगा? यू कैन डू इट गाइस. खुद को कमजोर मत समझना, कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समझो इसमें मेरा काम नहीं बना. अब मुझे 2,0 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेक करना है. क्या चेक करना है? सर, आई वांट टू चेक 2,0 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, सो दैट व्हाट कैन आई डू? डोंट डू एनीथिंग. 0 ना, मैप 0. यहां पर बस एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी है, समझो G5 करके या फिर G0 करके. But I will consider all the numbers here. Which are stored in map G2, which tells कि क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी आ सकती थी अगर इनमें से हर नंबर को दो बार स्वैप कर लिया होता, दो बार स्वैप कर लिया होता, दो बार स्वैप कर लिया होता, दो बार स्वैप कर लिया होता. इनमें से कोई भी अगर इससे मैच हुआ तो काउंटेड हो जाएगा. खत्म, डन. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, सच अ ग्रेट प्रॉब्लम. It's a really great problem. Clears many things for many people. Clear? और मल्टीपल टाइम्स भी आ सकता है, तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. हाँ, व्हेन यू आर चेकिंग ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटी, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ओनली चेकिंग डिस्टिंक्ट पॉसिबिलिटीज. यहाँ पर जब मैप जी में डाल रहे हो ना, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 123 दो स्वैप में आ गया, दो बार घुसेड़ दिया. नहीं, एक पॉसिबिलिटी को एक मैप में एक इंडेक्स के लिए एक ही बार डालना है. ओके, डोंट डू ओवर काउंटिंग. क्लियर? या guys, next thing, all you need to check, I hope you can do it on your own. Guys, all you need to check is the number in map 0 if it exists in map G2. If yes, add the count. Guys, do I need to do, or it is self understood for other numbers? Right, self understood. If you know कि भाई ये 4 दो तुम ऐसे ही कर दोगे, मैप का नंबर चेंज करके चेक करना है बस. 1001 00 भी कर लेना, ये तो हलवा है. ओके, 00 11, then 00. It's interesting. That's it, guys. You have solved the problem. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed this problem. So guys, what is the solution? What is the time complexity? देखो, बताता हूँ. When you are at index J, आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप बहुत अच्छे हो, आपने बस 225 पॉसिबिलिटी जनरेट की। इन 225 में मैप जीरो भी भर गया आपका, मैप वन भी भर गया, इंटेलिजेंटली भरना तो भर जाएगा 15 पॉसिबिलिटी से, और मैप टू भी भर गया आपका, सारे मैप भर गए। अब इन मैप्स को एक बार ट्रेवल करना है, जब भर रहे हो तभी ट्रेवल कर लेना 225 में, ठीक है। अब बस चेक करना है कि ये एलिमेंट जो इसमें है वो इनमें से कोई पर्टिकुलर मैप के एलिमेंट्स में है कि नहीं। ओ ऑफ वन में चेक हो जाएगा। वॉट एवर एलिमेंट्स यू आर गेटिंग हियर ना, यू हैव टू स्टोर देम इन मैप G0, मैप G1, मैप G2, क्लियर। check in O of 1, 225 into n is the final time complexity, right? Brilliant, brilliant in the Google chat. If you have understood the brilliant optimizations and hash map usage, okay? Guys, the duplicates, Gaurav, are always तुमको इतना पता चलना चाहिए कि जब तुम 225 पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ पर कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो ना, तो जब भी एक नई पॉसिबिलिटी आती है ना, तो चेक कर लेना कि मैप में ऑलरेडी है कि नहीं तुम्हारे करंट मैप में, नहीं तो उसको फिर से नहीं डालना बार बार। इतना कॉमन सेंस होना चाहिए आप में। जब ये नंबर का आप मैप जी भर रहे हो, ये नंबर का आप मैप G0 भर रहे हो, मैप G1 भर रहे हो, मैप G2 भर रहे हो, मेक श्योर करना है कि इनमें सिर्फ डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स ही गए हैं। गॉट इट, डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स गए, फिर ये मैप को अलग से सही से मैप में अपडेट करना है। सो it will use many intelligent manipulations of map. I hope you guys understand that. Guys, write CLR in the Google chat if everyone understood that, and write brilliant also. This is difficult problem, but this is the only way to solve it in the best way possible. In actual contest, people were trying to optimize this n squared solution. Yes, you can do that also, but it does not work for all programming language. Clear? Good job. Great, great, great. So let me write it here. Guys, final time complexity क्या होगा? Guys, some things I have not told, like I have said, but you should be careful. जब भी आपका नंबर J है ना, तो आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि मैप 0, मैप 1 और मैप 2, इनके अंदर कोई भी नंबर सेम नहीं आना चाहिए, नहीं तो रिकाउंटिंग हो जाएगी। सेम आ रहे हैं तो इनको इग्नोर कर देना, भूल जाना। क्लियर? This care you have to take because it will not happen generally if you do the swapping properly. ऐसा rarely ही होगा, but हो सकता है when the numbers are repeated कि भाई दो नंबर को, फॉर एग्जांपल 1111, तुम बोल दोगे सर इसको स्वैप किया है तो फिर से 1111 आ गया, तो इसको मैप 1 में मत डाल देना। हाँ, समझ के थोड़ा सा। Okay, these things should get clear to you. Clear? Good. Now guys, before going ahead, it is very important to clear up the time complexity. So guys, what will be the time complexity? Write in the Google chat. O of n into 225. This is the new time complexity. Clear? Yeah, great job. Clear guys, and okay. Now guys, listen. This works perfectly. Why? n की वैल्यू क्या है? 5000. Someone multiply 5000 by 225 and write in the Google chat what is the number. The 5000 into 225, what is the number guys? 500 को जब 225 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो क्या आता है? सॉरी, 5000 into 225. 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, 10 raised to 6. Yes, we have done it. We have done it. Great job. Congratulations. So it becomes close to 10 raised to 6, and now it will surely pass. If you're doing everything properly, make sure your maps don't blow up. मैप्स को सही से भरना, पूरा भर भर मत कर देना, सही से करना चीजों को ताकि रिजल्ट सही से आए. So hope you guys enjoyed it and understood as much as possible. Okay, let me stop the recording.